wheels for a total of 10 minutes, depending on the number of competitors. But we're going to let this the brother and sister go ahead here for 5 minutes. And again, they're both going to get a t-shirt. Come on out to the cone area. We're not figure eating. Come on out by their orange cones. Right in the red Jeep, Aiden Benson. Let's have a round of applause for Aiden. And in the pink Jeep, Emily Benson, both from Little Valley. All right, drivers ready to go? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Drivers ready? Emily, you ready? All right, with a short countdown, everyone. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Get it done.
All right, Aiden taking a turn. Getting it turned around, trying to get a shot on his sister, Emily. Come on, Emily, get over there and get him. Oh, just missing one another. What's great about the kids? Oh, nice shot. Both of you, great job out there. What's nice about the kids just love it. You see the smiles on their faces. Their parents have been in demolition derbies before. Hey, stay inside the out of bounds, guys. Come on, officials, what are you doing out there? Little contact there by Aiden. Both of them doing an awesome job. Stay inside the orange cones. Stay a little tough with the kids. Emily now with a nice shot. Aiden backing up with light contact. Get it back there, Aiden. Try to stay inside the orange cone area. Get over there and hit Emily. Coming in for a shot with a nice hit. Again, both doing a great job here at Cattaraugus County Fair. They just had the schedule mixed up a little bit, available for tonight. And another good hit by both drivers. Both moving, both making contact. Some of these events, we get 20 of them out here all running at once, and it's just a blast. They get one pair, but every kid can stand out on the track. And just in case they get hooked up, another shot by Aiden. In case they get hooked up or they need a little help getting turned around, parents go out and help them out, or one of the officials do. So far, we're at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Nice shot, Emily. Hey, he's still able to move, maybe bent a little bit, but I don't see anything broke on it. Rear wheels coming off the ground from that shot. Ooh, and another good shot by Aiden. Keep it up, kids. You're doing a great job out there. Look at his sister pointing the finger. Little bit of a head on there between both of them. Ooh, the front wheels coming up. 2.5 minutes to go. Hey, no touching one another. You can do that after you leave. Banging on that hood. Emily doing a great job. They do have reverse, but they've chosen not to use that reverse. Aiden coming in, nice front end shot. 2 more minutes to go. Oh, and a great hit there. What, are you trying to show off? No hands? Yeah, he's hooked up on top. Official out there to help him out a little bit. There we go. Coming in with another good shot. Come on, Emily, circle around, get him. Well, Aiden's gonna get her again, slides her around. About a minute, 20 20 seconds to go. I know her dad used to be in the Demolition Derbies, or their dad used to be in the Demolition Derbies. And soccer, football. Okay, about 50 seconds left. Come on, back them up, spread them out a little bit. There you go. Get some more shots in there.
Ooh.
Another good hit by both drivers. Emily and Aiden doing an awesome job out there. Aiden coming in again with a good hit. Emily checking out her tires. Another good shot. With about 25 seconds left. All right, getting down here about 10.
9, 8.
5, 4, 3, 2,